What is global warming? Global warming is a sudden climate change within the Earth's atmosphere. Over the last century, the climate has been changing rapidly. Global warming and the greenhouse effect are not entirely natural. Humans are the main cause of greenhouse gases and pollution. Storms have been getting more severe and sea levels are rising from the massive climate change in the last century. The World Health Organization blames 150,000 human deaths per year on global warming. Animals are unable to adapt to the rapid climate change. Barack Obama once said, "All across the world, in every kind of environment and region known to man, increasingly dangerous weather patterns and devastating storms are abruptly putting an end to the long-running debate over whether or not climate change is real. Not only is it real, it's here, and its effects are giving rise to frighteningly new global phenomenon, the man-made natural disaster." Why is it a concern? Global warming is a major concern in our environment because of several reasons. Living things won't be able to adapt to fast-changing temperatures. Most living things are already used to the climate patterns they live in, i.e. the polar bears, living in the north but now moving to the south because the glaciers are melting. The glaciers and polar ice caps melting are causing a rise in the sea level. This could cause cities and towns near the coast to be underwater or flooded in the future. Scientists are looking at the changes in our environment, and they have been occurring more than they have expected. Major storms and droughts are becoming more severe than ever before. What is the greenhouse effect? The greenhouse effect is caused by greenhouse gases. Fossil fuels pollution and natural gases cause the greenhouse effect. The burning of fossil fuels are the main cause of the greenhouse effect because it is used and put into the atmosphere. The Earth's atmosphere traps heat in. Usually the atmosphere lets some of the heat out, but because of the greenhouse effect, it keeps the heat trapped in. The gases let the light in and out, but not the heat. Normally solar radiation comes in and most of it is absorbed by the Earth. Some is reflected and let out into space, thereby keeping the Earth at a relatively stable temperature. When greenhouse gases are in the atmosphere, they absorb the reflected heat and therefore heat up the Earth's atmosphere. Since the four spheres of the Earth, lithosphere, hydrosphere, biosphere, and atmosphere, are all linked, this affects everything. Who caused global warming? Natural causes. Methane gas is a greenhouse gas, which comes from the Arctic tundra and wetlands. The cycle of the climate is changing and usually lasts about 40,000 years. The natural cycle of the Earth's events are known to cause climate change, but this can't be the only factor since the climate change is so large. Man-made causes. Scientists believe that human activity is making the temperature increase. Cars, power plants, factories, etc. are all burning fossil fuels. Pollution is a contribution to the greenhouse effect. Burning the fossil fuels, which are an organic matter, such as coal and oil. Once the fossil fuels are burned, they give off carbon dioxide and other pollutants. Population is another contribution to global warming. Population needs agriculture, which is food and animals. The plants help, but the livestock don't. Livestock give off methane gas, which goes to the ozone layer. You need to transport the food and animals to wherever you need them, which uses fossil fuels. Transportation equals gases, the pollution from the exhaust. The increase in the population will make it harder to breathe because if the population keeps growing, there won't be enough oxygen for every lung, but there will be an overload of carbon dioxide. Every time you breathe out, you contribute to global warming. What are we doing to stop global warming? Scientists are trying to find ways to stop global warming from happening so fast. It would be almost impossible to stop global warming altogether because of the generation we live in today with all its technologies. The world's top scientists are researching global warming and have come up with the conclusion that the climate is changing at an increasing rate. Scientists are trying to spread several ideas through politicians to the public about how to reduce global warming. The ideas are: limit the amount of greenhouse gases put into the environment, prevent and reduce a cause of global warming, provide a greater ability to deal with problems connected to global warming, and without inflicting a certain cost or redirect economic activity.